Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add ChatGPT always visible widget to your OnePlus tab. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside find this specific app, Wally AI Assistant GPT Widget. Click on the install. And then when it's ready, click on the open. Here, just go through this introduction and you can learn some features if you like. You can read through that. When it's ready, click on OK, open permissions and allow the AI assistant to draw over the other apps. We can go back, then click on the start. And here you'll be able to see this icon. It's floating around your screen. And if you click on it, it should open a chat and you can ask anything. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.